I wanna share some few settings, especially with those who are using my EAs. Remember, we have the Daily Bread Pro EA and the Trend Rider Pro EA. But I must say that the best EA, I know that when we started out, the Daily Bread Pro EA was making a lot of money, but the best EA you can trust is the Trend Rider Pro EA. It has proven to be consistently profitable for the past 4 months or so. Okay, I've been running it on a live account, testing if I can really trust this EA, and really it's been very, very profitable for all those previous months. It's been very profitable. And one good thing that I did, let me just show you, which you must also do. After you make a deposit, like here, I made a deposit of 160 USD. Once the EA starts making profit, okay, you can see it made profit. I want to show you where I made the withdrawal. Okay, right there. Remember, I started with 160 and then I made a withdrawal of 200 USD. And then the EA was running risk-free. I made another withdrawal of 100 USD just for an added bonus for myself. And then from there, the EA is only running on the profit that I already made. So I have nothing to lose. And till this day, you can see that I still have the running balance of 647 USD. This is a live standard account. I still have that running balance. So I am not under pressure. This is the best thing about a profitable EA. You are able to make profit and then withdraw your initial deposit and let the thing run. So this is what is happening. Let me just show you the trades for today. Traded quite a lot. Okay, see the profit is 55 USD, and all these trades were taken by the EA today. And then for the Daily Bread Pro EA, what happened is that remember we were running it on gold. I'm coming to the settings. Remember we were running it on gold, and I noticed that we made a lot of money during this period. Because gold was somewhat ranging. When gold took off, we made some losses because the EA was busy hoping for a sell. It was busy hoping for a sell because this was no longer normal according to the strategy. So now the best you can do if you are still trading the Daily Bread Pro EA is to set the EA to only look for buy entries so that it will target these areas, okay, and buy on these areas, these pullbacks. And to do that is very easy. Okay, this is gold. When you set the EA, you just drag it and drop it, and then you have these, you have the about, you have the common, you have the inputs. You come to the common and then you select here. If you say long only, if you set it to only long, it is going to only take buy trades, okay? And then if you set only short, which you are not supposed to set for gold, it will only look for sells, because for the past 2 years or so, gold has been going bullish. So if you have a gold EA, it may not be the Daily Bread Pro, it might be any EA that trades gold. It's good that you set it to only long. The settings will be the same, and then you set only long so that you only look for buy entries on gold. You can't be looking for sells while everyone else is buying, unless gold starts to range again. Unless it starts to range again on the higher time frames, then maybe you can set your EA to look for both buys and sells. Okay, so let's come back here. So you can do that, and then after setting only long, you come to the inputs, stop loss in points, you can reduce that. Okay, you can even put 2000, and then risk percentage, set it to something small, 5 or even 3, but I'm a high risk trader, so I like to set it on 5, and then you press OK. Here's another thing that you must do. Try to set or to install the EA twice. Okay, I did it the first time, just drop it for the second time. Okay, put the same settings, 5, okay, and then you press OK. You have your EA, it is running. So that's how you set your EA to only look for buys only or look for sells only. For the time frame, make sure that it is always on the 5 minutes time frame. If you don't even know how to set your EA or get your EA to be here, this is the MetaTrader 4 platform. On MT4, after downloading the EA, you should have the EA file. Copy the EA and then open your MT4, go to File, go to Open Data folder, and then go to MQL4, go to Experts, and then you just paste your EA file here. You can see I have my EA right there, and then I have the TrendRider Pro right there. So this is where you paste the EA. After pasting the EA here, you close, you come here, you right click, and then you go to refresh, and then your EA is going to appear here. Or after pasting, you can just close your MT4 and open it again. You will see your EA on the list, and then you just drag it, drop it, and then you put your inputs. Concerning the VPS that I am using, I will leave the link in the video description. If you click that link, it will take you to this page. You just have to go to VPS and then go to Forex Trading VPS, and then once you get there, scroll down to see the packages. They are very affordable. I am using this one, the most affordable, because I'm only running like 2 terminals. Okay, so you can pick this one, and then let me just say add to cart. You select the location of your broker. Okay, right here you select the location of your broker. If your broker is based on London, you might be in South Africa, but if your broker servers are based in London, you can select London, and then you select your billing cycle, and then you make the purchase. After making the purchase, you will get the emails that will give you the login details of your VPS computer, and then all you have to do is come to remote, come here, you open your remote desktop, and then you paste your computer there. Okay, and then you click connect. It will ask for password, and then you paste your password. So it's as easy as that. After connecting, it will take you to your VPS computer, where you have to install your MT4 and then install your EAs on the MT4 that is on your VPS. Okay, I think I'll find some time to make a clear video on that one. I hope to do it this week. Otherwise, thank you for watching. You can see the TrendRider Pro is placing and closing trades and making me profits. I will see you on another video.